Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is all about my hair, how I style it, what products I use, how I apply them, all that good stuff. And it's kind of my transition from my pixie to a bob. I have extensions right now if you guys do not know that, so make sure you check out my previous video on those. But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So starting off with completely soaking wet hair, you want it dripping, like directly out of the shower. Since I have a curl to my extensions, we need all the water we can get. Then I'm going to go in with my Hydro Mist spray from Arrojo, and this is just going to be to help give, to lock in that moisture and really seal down the cuticle of my hair and help it match the texture of my extensions. And then I'm going in with my hair cream from Arrojo, and this is going to soften my natural hair since I have super coarse hair to where it looks a lot smoother, and it's also going to help tame frizz on my extensions so they look better longer, so I don't have to shower quite so often with them. And I'm just combing this through, making sure I really distribute it well. Like I said, this is going to be your smoother, so you want to make sure you have a lot of this in. And then I'm going in with my Devacurl Ultra Defining Gel. This is water soluble, that's why I'm going with this particular line. And it's going to help seal down our curl in the curl families to where that way I don't just end up with really frizzy like afro hair. And then I just put that between both of my hands and made sure I really well distributed it throughout all of my curl. And I'm scrunching it in, making sure all the water is still in my hair, like it's dripping on me right now. And then I'm going to go from soaking wet to diffusing it, and I'm just going to grab all of my hair in that diffuser and just set it on top of my head. The reason why I'm doing it this way is my natural hair does not have any curl to it, but my extensions have a curl, so I am giving my natural hair a bend in it when I set it on top of my head like that, to where it matches the extensions, to where you can't see that difference between my extensions to my natural hair. And this takes a good minute. The whole thing probably took me like 10 minutes, so I was rocking out singing to some music, as you guys just saw. You know, it doesn't take as long as it seems it would. It probably took me 15 minutes to film this whole video, which I expected a little bit longer. So it's not that bad. It's just you got to make sure you're using the right products to where it does go faster and you don't end up looking like a hot mess when you're done. So I have the one side done, and you can see the difference that diffusing makes just to the curl and the volume and the body of it and the softness and the texture. So I diffused all over now. Now I'm just going through and scrunching out that gel. So I'm just making a palming motion and just moving my palm a little bit just to break that cast where we soften back out our extensions. And then I'm going in with my Devacurl Beautiful Mess with about a blueberry size of it on my palm. I'm just going to distribute it between both of my hands and then scrunch it in my hair. This is going to help give us a little bit more hold, especially to my natural hair, to make sure that that bend stays in it. And this is a really good second day refresher product. I use this probably every day when I style my extensions, just because if it gets flat or it doesn't lay right, this is a really good one to go with. So that is it. Pretty simple, pretty basic. I typically wash my hair about once a week, and then I just sleep with it on top of my head to where I don't have to do it every day. So make sure you check out Invisibobbles. That is what I do that with, to where we don't break our extensions. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, check out the rest of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links are in the description box for you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!